green friends, welcome back to our channel. I am now here in my office, and I am actually repotting one of our plants. It's been 8 years that we are having all our office plants outsourced from Plantea. They are taking care of it, and we are paying them around 350 dirhams per month. So for all the plants, that also depends on how many plants, okay, that you are outsourcing for their care. But now we have so many plants, so I have decided to do it on my own during the time that I realized a year ago that I can do it by myself. And so it's been almost more than 6 months now that I'm taking care of all our plants in the office. So I'm saving our office 350 dirhams per week. Per month. Okay. Actually more than that, because with the many plants that we have, with the number of plants that we have now, I'm sure it's not gonna be 350. Maybe it's gonna reach 1,000 dirhams every month. Okay, because that 350 before we were just having like 3 plants, okay, or 4 plants. Now we have like so many plants because I bought a lot of plants to make our office, green and beautiful, and it makes the ambience better also for for our staff. I bought this one from Dubai Gardens. It's, how much is this? 195 dirham this cup. So we're gonna be repotting her now. Let's put them. Now this is new leaves here, and this new one here, and this one here. So I think she's doing well. This is our monstera showing another new leaves also. And this is our palmera. And this is our... So these plants are the plants here in our meeting room. So this is our meeting room. And these are the plants. These three, actually the palmera over there, used to be here also with them, the three of them. But because they have grown so big, like this, is squatting her leaves. As you can see, she's almost occupying the space, my monstera. So I need to transfer the other one there, the palmera one, and leave this space here for the two of them. It's because she's also starting to squat her leaves. So that's it. I need to clean up. Look at my mess. I need to clean up now before the office starts. So there you go, green friends. Thank you for watching again, and thank you for always supporting our videos, and thank you for being part of our green team for green process. Bye bye.